So I recently purchased this really cool stool that is attached to this backpack, which is perfect for camping, fishing, hiking. I got this for my dad and he loves to go camping. Him and my mom go like every weekend and they also do a lot of fishing. So this bag is going to be perfect. So as you can see, it is a backpack and the backpack is zipped onto this stool. So when you are walking or carrying your backpack, you zip it to the stool, and when you are ready to sit down, you can simply unzip the backpack from the top of the stool. And the backpack does have these Velcro straps on the side so that it can nicely tuck on the frame of the stool underneath the stool while you're sitting on it. I did want to show you that the inside is insulated, so this is perfect for keeping your food or your drinks cold while camping, hiking, or fishing. This could also be used for tailgating, watching parades, fireworks, air shows, so many different uses, even like a little picnic. So this is insulated and it's pretty large, so you can fit a lot in this backpack. As you can see, you can fit a whole lot in here. And on the outside, it has a pouch, a zippered pouch where you can put your phone, your keys, your map, flashlight, whatever you wanted to carry with you. And then we also have an outside water bottle here. So I'm just going to show you how easily you will unzip this from the top. So once you take the zipper down, and then it zips up in two different places. So we unzipped it from the one place. Now we're gonna unzip it from the other side. And you literally just unzip the zipper and the backpack comes right off. So now our backpack is detached and our stool just opens right up. So here's the seat of the stool, lightweight, yet very sturdy. It's a really cool gadget. So if I am sitting on my stool while fishing or watching a parade or the fireworks, then I can just attach our backpack to the bottom of the stool with these Velcro snaps. So I think my dad is gonna love this bag, something that is so versatile, so lightweight, so easy to carry, and so very functional. So you're getting basically a cooler backpack and your chair all in one. Super convenient, makes it for a really good Father's Day gift, birthday gift, Christmas gift, any type of gift that you need to give to a dad or even a mom if she's into that type of thing as well. I really love it and I think he will too. As a matter of fact, I might just get one for myself.